Hey everyone, and welcome to Dinar Stories. He's less than number is greater than. I'm genuinely glad you're here with us today. Is less than number is greater than. Because today's discussion is less than number is greater than. It's not just another routine update. Is less than number is greater than. It's not background noise. Is less than number is greater than. And it's definitely not something dinar holders should ignore. Is less than, number is greater than. If you are holding Iraqi dinar right now, is less than, number is greater than. Or if you have been holding it patiently for years, is less than number is greater than. I want you to listen very carefully to what follows. Is less than number is greater than. What I'm about to share with you is less than number is greater than. Could be extremely important. Is less than number is greater than for how you think about your investment. Is less than number is greater than, and how you prepare for what may come next. Is less than number is greater than. Let me be absolutely clear from the start. Is less than number is greater than. This is not speculation. This is less than number is greater than. This is not rumor. Is less than number is greater than. This is not hype, excitement, or wishful thinking. Is less than number is greater than. These are real, observable. Is less than number is greater than, and meaningful signals. Is less than number is greater than coming from Washington. Is less than number is greater than. Signals that every serious dinar holder is less than number is greater than needs to understand right now. Is less than number is greater than. Before we go any further, is less than number is greater than. If you're new to the channel, is less than number is greater than. Welcome to Dinar Stories. Is less than number is greater than. This is a space built specifically for investors. Is less than number is greater than, who want clarity. Is less than number is greater than facts. Is less than number is greater than, and responsible discussion. Is less than number is greater than about the Iraqi dinar market. Is less than number is greater than. We don't chase rumors here. Is less than number is greater than. We don't promote unrealistic expectations. Is less than number is greater than, and we don't rely on anonymous insiders. Is less than number is greater than. Our focus is on official signals. Is less than number is greater than verified information. Is less than number is greater than, and logical interpretation. Is less than number is greater than. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Is less than number is greater than. And turn on notifications. Is less than number is greater than, because developments in this space is less than number is greater than can happen without much warning. Is less than number is greater than, and if this video adds value for you, is less than number is greater than, please support the channel by hitting the like button. Is less than number is greater than, and sharing it with other dinar holders. Is less than number is greater than, who need accurate information. Is less than number is greater than. Now, let's move into the core of today's update. Is less than number is greater than. The Iraqi dinar is less than number is greater than has been one of the most talked about currency investments. Is less than number is greater than for a very long time. Is less than number is greater than. Investors across the globe, is less than number is greater than, have purchased dinar with the belief that Iraq's economic recovery is less than number is greater than. Financial reform is less than number is greater than, and gradual integration into the global system is less than number is greater than. Could eventually lead to meaningful changes. Is less than number is greater than in the value and status of its currency. is less than number, is greater than. Some investors entered this market, is less than number, is greater than many years ago, is less than number, is greater than during periods of instability and uncertainty, is less than number, is greater than. Others joined more recently, is less than number, is greater than. As Iraq showed signs of political stabilization, is less than number, is greater than. And economic restructuring is less than number, is greater than. But regardless of when you entered, is less than number, is greater than. Every dinar holder is less than, number is greater than, is asking the same fundamental questions. Is less than number, is greater than. When will we see real movement? Is less than, number is greater than. And how will we know when it's truly happening? Is less than number, is greater than. This is exactly why today's discussion matters. This is less than number, is greater than. What we are now beginning to observe is less than number is greater than. Are coordinated signals from Washington. Is less than number is greater than, not from one isolated comment. Is less than number is greater than, not from one individual official. Is less than number is greater than, but from multiple areas. Is less than number is greater than, including government agencies. Is less than number is greater than financial regulators. Is less than number is greater than and policy advisors. Is less than number is greater than, taken together, is less than number is greater than. These signals suggest that something more structured is less than number is greater than, more deliberate is less than number is greater than, and more carefully planned is less than number is greater than, may be developing behind the scenes. Is less than number is greater than. These are not vague political talking points. Is less than number is greater than. They are indicators of preparation. Is less than number is greater than. Coordination is less than number is greater than. And systematic planning is less than, number is greater than, related to the dinar market and financial infrastructure. Is less than number is greater than. One of the clearest patterns emerging is less than number is greater than. Is a strong emphasis on stability and order. Is less than number is greater than. Washington has been working closely. Is less than number is greater than with international financial institutions. Is less than number is greater than to monitor Iraq's banking networks. Is less than number is greater than currency exchange systems. Is less than number is greater than compliance frameworks. Is less than number is greater than an overall monetary structure. Is less than number is greater than. This level of attention is less than number is greater than does not happen randomly. That is less than number is greater than. Major financial powers is less than number is greater than. Do not coordinate at this level is less than, number is greater than. Unless they anticipate potential movement is less, the number is greater than. That must be handled carefully. Is less than number is greater than, and this is actually encouraging news for investors. Is less than number is greater than, because it suggests that if changes occur, is less than number is greater than. They will not be sudden. Is less than number is greater than chaotic. Is less than number is greater than or uncontrolled. Is less than number is greater than. Instead, is less than number is greater than. They would occur through managed systems is less than number is greater than. With oversight is less than number is greater than. Regulation is less than number is greater than. And legitimacy is less than number is greater than. Another critical signal coming from Washington is less than number is greater than, is the emphasis on transparency and official communication. Is less than number is greater than. Authorities have made it increasingly clear is less than number is greater than, that any legitimate announcements regarding the Iraqi dinar is less than number is greater than will come only through verified official channels. This is less than number is greater than. This point cannot be overstated. Is less than number is greater than. The dinar space is less than number is greater than has been overwhelmed for years. Is less than number is greater than by misinformation. Is less than number is greater than false promises. Is less than number is greater than and outright scams. Is less than number is greater than. The focus on transparency tells us is less than number is greater than. That authorities are aware of these problems. Is less than number is greater than and are taking steps to reduce confusion. Is less than number is greater than and protect legitimate investors. Is less than number is greater than. The message is straightforward. Is less than number is greater than. If information cannot be verified, is less than number is greater than through official sources. Is less than number is greater than. It should not guide your decisions. Is less than number is greater than. We're also seeing signs. Is less than number is greater than. That financial institutions themselves is less than number is greater than are preparing operationally. Is less than number is greater than. Banks and authorized exchange centers is less than number is greater than are reviewing verification. False promises is less than number is greater than and outright scams. Is less than number is greater than. The focus on transparency tells us is less than number is greater than. That authorities are aware of these problems. Is less than number is greater than and are taking steps to reduce confusion. Is less than number is greater than and protect legitimate investors. Is less than number is greater than. The message is straightforward. Is less than number is greater than. If information cannot be verified, is less than number is greater than. Through official sources, is less than number is greater than. It should not guide your decisions. Is less than number is greater than. We're also seeing signs. Is less than number is greater than. That financial institutions themselves is less than number is greater than are preparing operationally. Is less than number is greater than. Banks and authorized exchange centers is less than number is greater than are reviewing verification procedures. Is less than number is greater than exchange protocols. Is less than number is greater than compliance requirements. Is less than number is greater than and logistical capabilities. Is less than number is greater than. Banks do not prepare for imaginary events. Is less than number is greater than. Preparation means guidance has been received. Is less than. Number is greater than. And systems are being aligned. Is less than number is greater than. to handle potential activity securely and efficiently. Is less than number is greater than. So what does all of this mean for you as a dinar holder? Is less than number is greater than. It means preparation matters more than ever. Is less than number is greater than. This is not a moment for panic. Is less than number is greater than. It is not a moment for emotional decisions. Is less than number is greater than. It is a moment for calm. Is less than number is greater than. Methodical is less than number is greater than. An informed preparation. Is less than number is greater than. Signals like the ones we're seeing is less than number is greater than often appear weeks or even months. Is less than number is greater than before official announcements. Is less than number is greater than. This period is less than number is greater than. Is your preparation window. Is less than number is greater than. Any legitimate exchange is less than number is greater than. Will take place only through authorized. Is less than number is greater than. Regulated financial institutions. Is less than number is greater than. There are no shortcuts. This is less than number is greater than. There are no private deals. Then is less than number is greater than. Anyone offering special rates or unofficial access is less than number is greater than. Should be avoided completely. Is less than number is greater than. From a global perspective, is less than number is greater than. These preparations extend beyond one country. Is less than number is greater than. International financial networks is less than number is greater than are being aligned. Is less than number is greater than. Meaning authorized banks in multiple regions is less than number is greater than are likely receiving similar guidance. Is less than number is greater than. The broader takeaway here is less than number is greater than. Is confidence, control, is less than number is greater than, and protection for investors is less than number is greater than, and that is exactly what responsible investors is. Less than number is greater than. Want to see? Is less than number is greater than. The bottom line is simple. Is less than number is greater than. Washington signals point to preparation. Is less than number is greater than. Transparency is less than number is greater than. And security is less than number is greater than. As an investor, is less than number is greater than. Your approach should reflect those same priorities. Is less than number is greater than. Stay informed. Is less than number is greater than. Stay prepared. This is less than number is greater than, and follow official channels only. Is less than number is greater than. If you found this update valuable, is less than number is greater than, please hit the like button. Is less than number is greater than. Subscribe to Dinar Stories. Is less than number is greater than. And turn on notifications. Is less than number is greater than. So you never miss an important update. Is less than number is greater than. That's all for today's episode of Dinar Stories. Is less than number is greater than. Remember, in currency investing, is less than number is greater than. Knowledge, patience, is less than number is greater than. And preparation is less than number is greater than. Make all the difference. Is less than number is greater than. Stay informed. Is less than number is greater than stay prepared. Is less than number is greater than, and I'll see you in the next video. Is less than number is greater than